Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best reflective triangles is probably one of the most critical safety tools you can have in your car, and yet, many drivers overlook their importance. In this video, we will explore the top reflective triangles on the market, examining their features, durability, and overall effectiveness in ensuring your safety and the safety of others during roadside emergencies, helping you make an informed decision on which triangle best suits your needs and provides the highest level of visibility. Number 5. Cartman 3-pack warning triangle. It meets all the U.S. federal safety standards. This ensures you have the best possible protection in an emergency. With its large reflective panels, it's highly visible day or night, in any weather conditions. You'll be seen from far away. This will warn other drivers of your roadside trouble, keeping you and your passengers safe. It's a must-have for roadside emergencies. Its weighted base and design can withstand strong winds. It won't blow away easily, even in harsh conditions. It's easy to set up and put away, no tools are needed. It folds up compactly for convenient storage. Always be prepared for the unexpected. Keep it in your vehicle for peace of mind. What we like. It meets all the required safety standards and offers superior reflectivity for optimal visibility. Its sturdy base ensures it won't blow away in windy conditions. If you prioritize safety and stability above all else, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. These reflective triangles are quick and easy to set up and come in a very sturdy plastic case. If you're serious about roadside safety, the Cartman 3-pack warning triangle is the way to go. These triangles are DOT approved, ensuring they meet safety standards. The construction is solid, and setting them up is a breeze. I love that the bases come pre-filled with sand, which adds stability. They're large and highly visible, making them perfect for emergency situations. The 3 triangles in the case weigh 9.4 pounds. That's 3 pounds plus per triangle. Unlike other lightweight products, these will stand up in the wind. The case is light but strong and the latches stay tight, yet very easy to pull. The case locking latches open. These unfold very easily, even a weak child with arthritis could do it. Number 4. DSV Standard Warning Triangles. These reflective warning triangles meet all necessary safety standards. They're DOT approved and built to last, ensuring your safety on the road. Its heavy-duty base and non-skid foot pads keep it securely in place, even in harsh weather. No more worrying about it blowing away. Stay visible during day or night with these large, highly reflective triangles. They're easy to set up and fold away. A convenient carrying case is included for easy storage and transport. It's compact and won't take up much space in your vehicle. We stand behind our product. Enjoy an 18-month warranty and a 100% money-back guarantee. Buy with confidence. What we like. This offers superior stability, even in harsh weather. The included carrying case makes storage and transportation a breeze. If you need a reliable and convenient option that can withstand extreme conditions, this is for you. What people say. These safety triangles are a perfect addition to any driver's safety kit. They're reflective, which makes them useful for nighttime. They're filled with heavy sand at the base to hold them down during any strong winds. They're also easy to set up and come with instructions for how to set them up, which are just 3 steps. The 3 are contained in a fairly substantial carrying care. The reflectors themselves are very heavyweight and it's easy to assemble and disassemble them. Comes with nice carry bag, well weighted on the bottom, so stays in place. Number 3. XOOL Safety Triangle Kit. It boasts high reflectivity thanks to its highly reflective material and hexagonal design. This ensures maximum visibility for other drivers, even at night or in poor weather conditions. Its sturdy design and premium rivets guarantee stability. The metal base and anti-skid rubbers keep it firmly planted, even on uneven or icy surfaces. The reflective vest offers 360 degrees visibility with its fluorescent yellow color and horizontal reflective material. This ensures you're seen from all angles, day or night. Made from lightweight, comfortable, and durable materials, it's easy to wear and clean. The Velcro closure makes it quick and simple to put on and take off. This kit includes 2 warning triangles, 2 vests, and gloves, all packed in a convenient carrying bag. It's the perfect emergency roadside kit to keep in your vehicle. What we like. It provides maximum visibility with its reflective vest and triangles, keeping you safe in any situation. The complete kit ensures you're prepared for any roadside emergency. If you want comprehensive safety and convenience, this kit is ideal. What people say. This comes in a nice compact size bag that fits under any seat in a car or truck. Good to have for road emergencies just as is or as an add-on to an already existing kit. Compact, ready for trunk and use when needed. Peace of mind. The case keeps everything together and makes the trunk organized and uncluttered. The vest might not close over a winter coat, but it still improves visibility dramatically. The orange plastic fabric is certainly durable enough for emergency use. I noticed that slightly spreading or narrowing the front and back legs of the emergency triangle made it stand upright rather than leaning slightly forward. Number 2. AIKKO Safety Triangle Kit. It's a must-have for every driver. Place it on the road to alert others of a breakdown or accident ahead, keeping you and your passengers safe. Built to last, it's made from durable materials that can withstand harsh weather conditions. It won't break or fall apart easily. This compact kit fits neatly in its plastic case and easily stores in your car's trunk, taking up minimal space. No batteries or tools are needed. It sets up quickly and stores away just as easily in its convenient case. Each triangle is perfectly sized at 17 by 17 by 17 inches and comes with a protective case, ideal for any vehicle. Use it for roadside emergencies, construction zones, or any situation where you need to warn other drivers. It provides increased visibility and safety. What we like. It's incredibly easy to set up and store, making it perfect for quick deployment in emergencies. Its compact design makes it ideal for small vehicles. If you value ease of use and a space-saving design, this is a great option. What people say. These triangles are exactly what are required in parking your disabled semi on the side of the road. They are durable, stand up pretty well to the wind. High visibility orange and reflective, both are pluses. They do fold up neatly and store nicely in a plastic case which fits easily in a trunk, maybe even in some glove boxes, center consoles or side door pockets. These are a quality product and I feel better just having them. They are huge and very reflective. They weigh enough each that I wouldn't worry about them falling over at all. Each of the 3 come in a nice storage box. Number 1. TYRANT Emergency Triangles. It's crucial to alert other drivers to roadside trouble, day or night. These DOT-approved triangles exceed reflectivity standards, ensuring your safety and the safety of your passengers. They're designed for maximum visibility in any condition. The bright, highly reflective material makes them incredibly noticeable, night or day, in any weather. Made from high-quality materials, they're built to last and withstand the elements. They're easily stored and quickly deployed, providing early warning in any situation. They're designed to stay put, even in strong winds. The non-skid design ensures they remain where you place them, and you can add sand or gravel for extra stability. Its collapsible design makes it easy to store in your car and set up quickly, no tools needed. They're compact and ready when you need them. What we like. This boasts superior reflectivity and durability, ensuring it remains visible and reliable in any weather. Its clever design allows for quick and easy setup. If you need a durable and highly visible option, this is the one for you. What people say. They appear to be of good quality. Superb quality construction of the triangles and a convenient, lightweight carrying case. Has carry-on bag and easy to use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.